Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love this beautiful dresser from YMBSBUY.
I absolutely love the rattan modern design of this dresser. It is so beautiful with these rose gold, goldish hardware on them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I have had so much fun rearranging my things to fit into this dresser, and I love how high quality this is, the way that the drawers are set so they don't fall out, and it's just so beautiful. I have this in the oak color, and it is absolutely breathtaking. I just love how beautiful it looks. It was so easy to put together. It is really, really sturdy, and it also comes with a great hook in the back that is installed. So once I figure out exactly where I want this, I can screw it into the wall, which will keep it from falling over. Overall, I am so impressed with the quality of this dresser.
I'm in love with the style of this dresser. I think it is so pretty, and I am so happy to have it, and that's my point of view.